Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to create this gorgeous navy blue smoky eye, which is perfect for those with brown eyes in particular. In saying that though, any eye colour can rock any eyeshadow colour combination. It's just that some shadows are going to make some eye colours pop more so than others. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So as always, the first thing I'm doing is priming the eye area, and I'm using the Catrice eyeshadow primer again today. I've recently started shopping my stash to see what I already have in my collection as opposed to just buying new products all the time, and this was a primer that I came across in my collection and it's an oldie but a goodie. Next then I'm taking the Erotic eyeshadow palette from Fuschia, and I used this to create last week's colourful look, so if you haven't seen that I'll link it below. I just fell in love with the blue in this palette, so I figured I'd bust it out today. So I'm using that Tickle shade just to set that primer in place to give me a nice even canvas to start out on. And then I'm using the Espresso shade from the Penneys Customise range. It's a really nice cool toned brown and it's perfect for my transition colour today. I just want a little something in the crease for that navy to blend into just to add some definition and dimension. So I'm very carefully adding this into the crease using back and forth sweeping motions and windshield wiper motions to really buff the colour out. Just to be consistent then, I'm blending that shadow down along the lower lash line too with the small dense eyeshadow brush, and then I'm switching back to my fluffy blending brush and I'm sweeping around the edges of the entire look just to make sure that everything's nice and soft and smoky. Now for the colour that's the focus of this look, I'm going in with this navy eyeshadow from the Fuschia palette, and I'm beginning by using a C-shaped brush to pat this colour onto the lid. So I'm taking my time with this step, really working that shadow into the lid with patting motions because I want to make sure that I have a nice even opaque finish to the shadow. I start in and around the lash line area and then work my way up towards the crease with patting motions. And like always, I layer my shadows, so I do this a couple of times, working the shadow from lash line to crease until I'm happy with the intensity. Then I'm taking a fluffy blending brush with a touch more of that navy eyeshadow on it, and I'm starting in the crease, so at the very edge of that navy where it meets the crease, and I'm buffing my brush back and forward, and this is going to blend it up into that espresso shade to make sure the two fade seamlessly together. For the lower lash line then I'm switching to a small bullet shaped brush again, and I'm adding that navy down along there too. Then I decided to go back in with my blending brush and a little more blue just to top that colour up in the crease. I wanted it to pack more of a punch and that's why I added another layer. So the colour is a little bit more blue than I want for this look, so I'm going to tone it down very slightly with a black to get more of a navy feel. I'm using an angled brush to pat this all the way along the lower lash line. Nope, it's the upper lash line. And once I've weighed my way from outer to inner corner, then I'm going to add it along the lower lash line. However, I'm only taking it halfway across the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with a pencil brush and I'm smoking along that line, bringing it up to the crease on the outer third. That way the lid is nice and deep and then it fades out to a blue, which I love. Same again, smudging that black out down along the lower lash line, making sure that it connects up on the outer edge. To line the waterline then I'm taking this kind of navy teal liner. The 24/7 Glide On pencils are one of my favourite liner formulas. I have those pencils in about 15 different colours, I just love them. For lashes then I didn't want to add something maybe too dramatic, but I didn't want to just put on mascara. So I'm going in with these ones from Kiss. They're nice and natural in my books anyway, and I just think they polish off the look nicely. So to blend my own lashes in with the false ones then I'm adding some mascara, and once you've got that done then that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, commenting and subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll chat to you all soon.